Alright, welcome back to RC Wisco. Today's mail day. Let's see what we got. This, I already opened the other packaging. It's the Hobby Park. Hole reamer and Lexan scissors. Slight curve to it, rounded edges so I don't stab myself, even though I probably still will. And 0 to 14 millimeter hole reamer, it's all aluminum. Man, looks like a little shank. Yeah, not bad quality. I think it was like $3, $4, $5 maybe for this and the scissor. Not bad. Oh, yeah, Alright. This is some airbrush paint for a totally non-RC related project. I might show you guys that. Another business that I do. Let's set that around there. Alright. Here. New set of rims and tires for my new RC truck that'll be here hopefully tomorrow, maybe. These look familiar. These are for Traxxas Slash 2-wheel drive. I got a pretty good deal on one on eBay, like $222. Got the VXL Slash, the lower center gravity chassis, whole bunch of RPM upgrades, 2 bodies, etc. I'll do an unboxing when that comes. Yeah, I'm gonna get ahead of myself and get some extra rims and tires, even though the Slash comes with 2 sets, some bigger ones and then regular size ones, I believe. So, but you can never have too many. These are the drift rims and tires for my Sakura D4 drift car. Alright. Nice. Well, actually look too bad. Better than in the pictures. These are tires. Chrome lip, flat silver spokes it looks like, 6 millimeter offset I believe. Alright. And the one I've been waiting for like 2 weeks maybe. This guy right here, look at all those stamps. It's came a long way. Use my new Lexan scissors. Gonna need a shank. Hold on. 1 minute. So much paper and shit. I was a little skeptical on buying this because I've been looking for this body and I didn't see any, and they're all out of stock, and so I still don't know if this is the one they say it is, hopefully. But it's a body by ABC Hobby. Veilside RX-7 kit from Tokyo Drift. Alright, let's see. We got the, looks like the rear bumper and taillight stuff. Possibly the front bumper. I'll open those up. Okay, we got door panels, headlight buckets, another little thing. Okay. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah. Ordered the paint, the orange and the black for it. Oh, I'm glad it's what it says it was supposed to be. There's the instructions, all in Japanese. Yep, not a word of English on there. Cool. I'm sure I can figure it out. What else we got in the box? The decals. Window masks, that's cool. I'm glad they put that in there. The Veilside stickers. Windshield wipers, all sorts of stuff in here, man. All the black around the window. Alright. Yeah. Alright. That's all I got for mail today. I have axles coming for my Sakura D4 drift car. I have a couple other sets of drift tires and rims coming, and the Traxxas Slash race truck. That'll be here in the next day or so. I'm excited about that. So, yep, stay tuned for more.